Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, page 143, subtracting fractions. So we see 4/5 subtract 3/10. And as always, if you are comparing fractions, adding them, subtracting them, we need common denominators. So we could do 5 times 10 for 50, but that's going to give us a really big denominator to try to put down in lowest terms at the end. So we can check, is there a smaller one? And sometimes you can just use one of the ones that already exists, and 10 works. So we're just going to multiply this fraction by 2, both numerator and denominator. We get 8/10, subtract 3/10, which gives us 5/10. Then divide them both by 5, and you get a half. How did I know to use 5? Well, I was saying, check your prime numbers. Divide it both numerator and denominator by 2 to get a whole number answer. If that doesn't work, divide by 3, by 5 works. Okay, and then after that, we've seen the other ones in some of the other videos. For the next example, we have 3 1/5, subtract 1 3/4. And like I was saying, whenever we get a mixed number, we're going to put it into an improper fraction first. So 5 groups of 3 are worth 15, plus an extra, we get 16/5. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3, we get 7/4. Now, common denominators by multiplying them together. So I'm going to multiply this whole fraction by 4, this whole fraction by 5. We get 64/20 and 35/20. Subtract the numerators, 29/20. How many groups of 20 fit into 29? Well, one whole group of 20. And after we take 20 out of it, I have 9 left over. And this is in lowest terms, but again, that's something that you always want to check. Can I divide them both by 2? No, that's not an even number. Can I divide by 3? Yes for this. No, I'll get a decimal answer for 20. Can I divide by 5? Nope, for 9. And then 7 doesn't work. After that, the next one is 11, which is larger than 9, so I know I'm in lowest terms. And that's it. It's very similar to what you've been doing for adding. The only difference is now you're subtracting the numerators instead of adding them. We still want improper fractions to put into mixed numbers and lowest terms at the end. Okay, so here's your work. 1a to d, 4a to d, 6a to d, 7a, and 9. For 7a, you're going to see whole numbers starting off like, for example, 3 subtract 1/4. To do that, we need to put, as you see here, the whole number into a fraction by putting it over 1. So 3 can be made into a fraction by putting it as 3/1. 9 can be 9/1. And 2,354 can be put into a fraction by putting it as 2,354/1. Alrighty. And as hinted at in the beginning, a horrible math joke. I never stood a chance when I was attacked by 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. The odds were against me. Oh, where did I write this? Oh, you can't make stuff that good. Anyways, that's it for now. Take care.